Hi, Jim Siebel with Sales and Marketing for Hill Farm Condominiums in North Oaks. As you can see from last time, we had structural steel up outside the amenity space, and now the full amenity space is almost all the way enclosed. Let's go in and take a look. Welcome to our lobby. We have a floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace behind us, coffee bar over here, and we'll have seating throughout this area. Welcome to our club room, which has 32-foot high ceilings. It's one thing to say that we have 32-foot high ceilings, but it's another to see it. It's incredible space. And we have a see-through fireplace that'll be, as you can see, monstrous. And you can see it from both sides, both from the club room and from the lobby side. And then on the other side, we're floor-to-ceiling windows with incredible southern exposure. And then behind me is the party room. That's basically where dining space will take place, and there's a full kitchen in there. Our fitness room is coming together with great windows overlooking our patio space. And behind me is the fitness on demand room. And you just pick an exercise class as simple as Netflix. Everybody here at Hill Farm has 2 parking spaces. However, we do have a unique option with private garages. That'll allow you to have a garage door, and they're much larger. You could have an epoxy floor, you could have storage space, cabinets built in. Really, the garage is a space for your hobbies. Now you can extend that space here with your own private garage. The 300-acre preserve that we can see from North Oaks Condominiums looks a little different outside with all the snow on the ground, but spring is coming and things should be growing hopefully pretty soon. As you can see, we've made tremendous progress since our last video. Not only is the roof on, but we're fully sheetrocked. All the wiring and pre-plumbing is done behind the walls. The one thing we do have on the 3rd floor is we have an area in the living space that's 12-foot ceilings. Otherwise, most of our ceilings are all at 10 feet. Still a high ceiling, but 3rd floor, you get an extra 2 feet. We're so excited to have our model at Hill Farm Condominiums. This plan features 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, a sunroom, and plenty of space. One of the best features here is Studio M has custom designed every condo finishes throughout. So each one's unique, has a little different flair to it. Light cabinets to dark cabinets, lots of different tile. We're so excited that Studio M did this for us. Thanks for taking the time to walk through Hill Farm Condominiums with us today. We're so excited for you to come in and see the model. Next time, we will feature the 3rd floor finished, more finishes in the amenity space. Kitchen will probably be in, lots of different things to look at. We look forward to bringing you the next update.